All right, go ahead and get out your sight word book that looks like this on the front. Okay, first let's figure out the title. So we've got one sight word, and then we've got three words that we can figure out. Actually, one of these is also a sight word. So let's look at the picture. All right, what is this sight word that we've been working on this week? Anybody know? Who? Good job. Our question word, who. So the next word, that word, I'm going to tell it to you because actually, this is a sight word as well. All right, so Miss Phillips totally forgot. We've got the sight word from this week, who. The next word, isn't this a sight word? Has. Good job. Maybe that's our sight word for next week. Miss Phillips is losing it. So we've got who, has. Next word, we know that. A. Good job. So let's read what we know. Who has a. And the last word, it's a word that we can kind of figure out with sounds and with picture clues. The first sound is what sound? P. Yes. Just by knowing that first sound, what do you think this word might be? If you said pet, you are correct. That is the word pet. We could have also figured that out by looking. There's a boy and his dog, and the dog is his pet. So let's read the title. Ready, go. Who has a pet? Last thing I want to talk about on our title is this thing right here, our punctuation. What is that? A question mark. Nice job. That's a question mark, which means this book is asking us a question. What question is it asking us? It's asking who has a pet. So it is questioning what person has a pet. All right, go ahead and flip to the first page. Okay, so we're going to have our repeating story again. The first line is our title, and then the last line is our picture clue. So we've got our sight word, then the rest of the title, and a picture clue. All right, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, who. Next word, has. Next word, a. Next word, pet. Last word, fish. Nice job. All right, let's read the sentence. Ready, go. Who has a pet fish? Now remember, you have to read all of the words that are there. If I skipped a word, it might not make sense. If I read, who has a fish, that kind of makes sense, but I might not be talking about a pet. I could be talking about food because sometimes you eat fish for food. So I need to make sure I have all of my words. Who has a pet fish? If I know that this is a pet, I know I'm not eating this fish, I'm taking care of it. And at the end, we have our question mark. Who has a pet fish? Raise your hand if you have a pet fish. Flip that page. All right, let's read it. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready? First word, who. Next word, has. Next word, a. Next word, pet. Last word, bird. Some of you might have said parrot, and this could be a parrot, but I know this word can't be parrot. Why do I know that? Yes, because of that first sound. The first sound in the word parrot is p, p, p. But this first sound is what sound? B, b, b. Yes. So my word has to start with b. And the word that makes sense for this picture is bird. Let's read the whole sentence. Fingers on it, eyes on it, ready, go. Who has a pet bird? Very good. Flip that page. Okay. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? Who, next word. Has, next word. A, next word. Pet, last word. Rabbit. Ooh, good. Now some of you might have said bunny. Why do I know this can't be bunny? Yes, because there's that R sound at the very beginning. So it can't be bunny because bunny starts with b, b, b. I want to have a word that starts with R, which would be rabbit. Let's read the whole sentence. Ready, go. Who has a pet rabbit? Nice. Flip that page. Now this picture could be confusing. So let's look at that picture clue word first before we start. Try and figure it out. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to try and figure out what that word could be. All right. Fingers on it. I'm sorry, fingers on the first word. Fingers on the first word. Eyes on the first word. Ready? First word, what word? Who? Next word. Has. Next word. A. Next word. Pet. Last word. Hamster. Ooh, good job. Again, some of my friends might have thought it was gerbil, but gerbil starts with j, j, j. And this starts with so I know it has to be hamster. Let's read the whole sentence. Ready? Fingers on it. Eyes on it. Ready? Read. Who has a pet hamster? Nice job. Flip that page. Ooh. All right, I think we can figure this one out. First word, what word? Next word. Next word. Next word. Last word. Snake. Good job. Okay, fingers on it, eyes on it. You're reading on your own first, then I'll read with you. Ready, read. Nice job. Let's read it again. Ready, go. Who has a pet snake? Flip that page. Last page. Fingers on the first word. First word, what word? Next word. Next word. Next word. Last word. Turtle. Good job. Okay, let's read the sentence. You read it first and I'll read it with you after. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, read. Good job. All right, let's read it together. Ready, go. Who has a pet turtle? Good job, friends. All right, you can color this book and read it to a friend or family member. Nice reading.